Muscle activation technique, planks. Placing your weight on your elbows directly underneath the shoulders and posting up onto your toes, you want to lift your midsection up. Draw in the core, squeeze the glutes, and retract or pull back the shoulders. Common mistakes here, people don't draw in and then they arch the low back. Another common mistake is excessive protraction of the shoulders. We want to maintain a nice neutral spinal position, and that is going to help translate those good habits into our more compound movements.